In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Microsoft Copilot subscription. If you've been trying out Copilot Pro and decided it's not the right fit, I'll walk you through the exact place to manage it and how to complete the cancellation cleanly and confidently. First, know that Copilot Pro is managed through your Microsoft account, not inside a Copilot app. Open your web browser and go directly to account.microsoft.com/services. This is the services and subscriptions page where Microsoft lists everything tied to your account. When you get there, sign in using the same Microsoft account you used to purchase Copilot Pro. This part is important. If you have multiple Microsoft accounts for personal, school, or work, make sure you're on the one that actually holds the Copilot Pro subscription. If you don't see it right away, double-check which account is signed in and switch if needed. Once signed in, you'll land on a list of your active and past subscriptions. Look for Copilot Pro in that list. If the page is long, scroll to see all entries or use the page's filtering options if available. When you find Copilot Pro, you'll notice a Manage button next to it. Click Manage to open the details for that specific subscription. On the Management page, look for the option labeled Cancel. Microsoft may show slightly different wording depending on region, but you're looking for the clear cancellation option tied to Copilot Pro. Click Cancel to start the process. From here, simply follow the on-screen instructions to confirm. Microsoft may ask you to review what happens after cancellation, such as when access ends, or it might offer quick feedback questions. Read each prompt carefully and continue until you receive a clear confirmation that the cancellation is complete. It's a good idea to save or screenshot the final confirmation page and keep an eye on your email for a confirmation message from Microsoft. Regarding refunds, in some cases you may qualify if you cancel within Microsoft's refund window. Eligibility depends on your country, the type of subscription, and your purchase date. During the cancellation flow, Microsoft usually indicates whether a refund applies, how much it would be, and how it will be returned. If a refund is offered, it's often processed back to your original payment method, but timing can vary by provider and region. That's it. Quick, straightforward, and all in one place. By using account.microsoft.com/services, signing in with the correct account, selecting Manage next to Copilot Pro, clicking Cancel, and confirming on screen, you can wrap up your subscription with confidence.